and welcome to my live learning laboratory. I'm going to do a few experiments and demonstrations to show you about weathering and erosion. Our first demonstration is going to be used to talk about physical weathering. You only need three things: a glass jar, some sand, and some peppermints. As we learned last week and the week before, weathering is the process of breaking down rocks. Physical weathering is the process of breaking a large rock into smaller pieces without changing the minerals in a rock. Physical weathering may be caused by wind, water, ice, temperature change, or plants. So come over here. We are going to leave one peppermint out, and that's going to be our rock as our control. That's what's not going to change. I'm going to take one peppermint and I'm going to put it in my glass jar. That's my rock. And then I'm going to gently shake it for about 3 minutes. So now that it's been 3 minutes and I've been gently shaking it, which simulates a very slow, gentle wind, I'm going to open it up, take my peppermint or my rock out, and I'm going to put it here. Now you should be able to see a difference between the control rock that had no wind weathering it and the rock that had slow wind. You see a little bit of the red coming off, and it's showing some signs of physical weathering. So now I'm going to do my second trial. I'm going to put my rock back in the same jar with my sand, and we just got a news report that there is a hurricane coming. So there is going to be a very strong wind. So I'm going to shake this jar very vigorously. Tune in 3 minutes. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes of very vigorous, fast wind. I'm going to open it up, take out my rock, and look at the comparison between our control that was no wind, our slow-winded rock that has a little bit of particles removed, and our strong wind that you can see because all of the red around our peppermint rock is missing. Where can we see this type of weathering in nature? We can see it in mountains, in beaches, and deserts. Our conclusion for this experiment is the faster the wind, the greater the effect on the rocks. Remember, the wind was our shaking, our rocks was our peppermint. Happy science!